The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And good Friday morning, fellas. We are ending another week. Ray, good morning. Deepak, John, James in San Diego, Daryl, James, good morning. Guys, very good morning. Today is Friday. We're off to a hell of a start. We have had two bot trades, fellas. Good morning, Ray. Rich, good morning. Gold has taken a short. All targets hit. I'm sorry, that's the NASDAQ. All targets hit. And gold has taken a short. All targets hit. Good morning, Becky, and same to you. Two trades, two targets hit. And we are up probably close to $2,000 already on the bots. So the original bots, nice job, Rich, already hit his daily goal. The original bots, guys, are up $1,710. And the accelerated growth bots at this point, off a down day yesterday, are down 845 at this point. But the originals are up 1,700 at this point. Two trades, all three targets hit. Looks like the indices are failing at this moment. We are failing at our 50% retracement area, give or take. NASDAQ, as I see it, is down on the daily again. It is coming into the 50-period moving average and what should be some daily support right around 80 area. We'll see what happens down there. Fair amount of selling in the NASDAQ overnight, almost 2,800 contracts. We are short on the hourly. We are short on the small time frames, 1 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute. We're short across the boards on the NASDAQ. The YM traded into its 50 period, daily 21 period, and is now also drifting lower. And is also, the daily is still showing me longs, but I'm not buying into that daily long. Hourly short, 10 minute short. ES failed just ahead of that 60, 44.60, just ahead of its 21. Good morning, Jacques. Good morning, Mimi. I'm ready to get this party started. ES is in shorts on the hourly, shorts on the 10 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute. Still showing longs on the daily, but this Evergrande did not make their interest payment yesterday. They are technically not in default. At the moment, the Russell is sitting on its daily 21. That could bounce. Gold, I think, is going to get blottoed. I have a target on gold somewhere down near 1670. 10-year is in shorts, 30-year is in shorts. Crude giving us a pullback. Looking at natural gas, we had a gap up. Shorts on the small time frame. If the small time frames go green, we could probably look for longs. We're still longs on the hourly. Good morning, Mark. And for what it's worth, Nike missed on revenue yesterday. I'll be looking at Nike. There's a few stocks I'm looking at for potential trades relative to options. Our options trades yesterday were magnifico. NVIDIA hit target at 225. The SPY was a huge home run. That hit target as well. So we'll see what we can come up with today, fellas. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. For all of you except one, this will be the last day of your trial. If you guys are unimpressed with what you have seen, to put it candidly, there's nothing I can do for you. You guys are, I don't know what you're looking for. Let me take a look at, let me look at the 10-year real quick. 10 years getting a bit of a bounce, but this should be short-lived. We're long on the hourly. We could pop up on the 10-year to 132.17. It isn't much. And let me look at the 30-year. Probably the same look. Yeah. Let me read the disclaimer. I'll check news. We do have a couple of Fed speakers today. Powell speaks. That I know. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. NASDAQ, guys, is going to find some support here at yesterday's open and the close from 2 days ago. There should be support right here. Again, it lines up with the 50-period moving average. Yeah, this is going to show it on a 5-minute, not a daily. But that's the 50. I don't know how Pam's levels work, so I cannot compare them, Jeff. I don't know how Pam's levels work. Joel's basically has incorporated several different indicators in that he is showing Fibonacci levels. Some of you guys love Fibonacci. You know I have no faith in Fibonacci. I don't trade it. It doesn't mean anything to me, right? But a lot of traders do. So Joel has Fibonacci levels marked, and they do adjust right now daily. He's also got open, low, and then the number in parentheses is from when. So for instance, this shows the close from 2 days ago. This shows the low from yesterday and the open from yesterday. Right, 1 day ago. This is the middle of the current range right here. 261 is the middle of the range between the high and the low. Now again, I don't know how Pam does her levels, so I can't compare them.
Some selling coming into the U.S. Treasury curve, and long bond once again leading the way lower now, yield up to 1.94%.
30 years up to 1.94%. ZB is selling.
Our index pushing towards session highs at 22 ticks at 99.32. The euro down 24 pips on the day.
Let me see. Yeah. You're short the ZB. Good morning, Greg. Thank you, Mimi. I messaged Sandy today. You're short ZB if you guys trade ZB. ZB is going to get crunched. It's following gold into the abyss. I have a target on gold, guys, at 1677. Were you short, Greg? I know you're short. Ooh, very nice. $180 is where NASDAQ should come. I would think that area holds for a bounce. Maybe we get 75, yesterday's low. Bonds are short. Gold is short. If gold breaks through 45 half, you're going to see 40. I don't think we're going to get enough retrace. Gold would have to retrace for me back to about 52. NASDAQ, guys, looks like we're right about the 50 period, and it doesn't look like it's going to hold. It may initially, but NASDAQ could trade all the way back down on the hourly now to somewhere near 100, 125. It's bouncing right off its 50 now. Nah, not quite. Almost got there, within a few points. Gold, I would need a retracement back to 52 half area to short that. Guys, if you're joining late, we have had 2 bot trades this morning already. A NASDAQ, all 3 targets hit. A gold, all 3 targets hit. The bots are up 17.10. Yesterday they upgraded Roku. Today they downgraded it. What hit what area, Greg? Yeah, I'm not short. Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, that is the well. Let me clarify. That is the area that I would start to look at the short. I have no interest in selling the bottom here. ZB, I think, is going to get blitzed. If anybody trades 30-year bond or 10-year, if I had to guess, we're darn near the bottom. Well, 10 is the low. At here, so options trades. What do I have right now? Nada until we get a little closer to the till 9 o'clock. $44.20. If bulls to buy dip back. Yep, I would agree with that, Mimi. Forex Factory website is, yeah, Powell speaks at 10. That is correct. You're killing it in options, buddy. You're killing it, James.
Until August, current account balance at foreign direct investment.
Anybody short ZB? You got a nice little trade. I think that low will go. Yeah, I think it's going to break. 15 seconds, guys. 15 seconds. Nice job, Frank.
Order filled.
We're off. We are off. Damn it. I missed a trade right at the open here on Russell. I hate when the bots take trades right on the open. Torques my jaw. I would have shut that off. Coming into support again. Come on, Russell. Pop up there. Let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. There goes. There goes RTY. Trying to make a move. Come on, buddy.
Target filled. Target filled.
There's target 1 on Russell. I like longs, guys. We're going to have to get above 13. It's stuck at the 50 period on a fight. Here it goes. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. There you go. Target 1 would be 32 is what I have. 32. Come on, buddy. Target 1 is 32. Maybe 31. CRM. Long. Watch snap. Affirm is trying to go. NASDAQ is sticking. Still like the longs. Next candle coming. Come on. 3-minute candle, guys. One new candle. Here we go. Come on, buyers. Buyers. Come on. There it comes. Russell has volume. NASDAQ is longs, guys. Your stop is 77. $78. NASDAQ's longs. Your target is, first target is 3-2. 3-2. Let me put a bar timer on this chart. Come on, RTY. Push here. This is resistance. There it goes. Come on. Push, 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 push. Come on, NASDAQ. You got him, buddy. Target 1 is 3-1, 3-2. Target 1 is 3-31. Her second target on the bot. Come on, NASDAQ. YM has got bid. NASDAQ is looking much better.
5 minutes or so into the trading session, we're seeing some buy programs come through and push equity futures.
Buy programs, fellas.
A good portion of the day's early losses for both the Dow and the S&P. S&P futures down 7 handles at 44.31. The electronically traded low is 44.
SPY. SPY.
Trading gets underway here in New York. Bond yields
Ticks opened at minus 1,000. Perfect.
US 10-year now for another basis point on the day.
SPY. I like calls here at 442.50. It's not quite, I don't think it's quite there yet. September 24th, 442s. Okay, Greg. Well, it's a little slower bus ride here than I would have liked, but we should be good, guys. They're buying them back. They're buying them back. There's 26. Come on, 31, 32, 29, 30, 31. Low end of the target hit. 31, low end of the target hit. 32, come on. 32 hit. Free trade, fellas. Completely free trade. You guys good? Now it's free. We're going to 50. We're going to 50. We are going to 50. Thank you, Jeff. We are going to 50 and then 61. 50 and then 61. Nice job, Deepak. There you go, fellas. You're welcome, Jennifer. So if you guys are in the trade, depending on, whatever you're in at, should be no higher than 15. I would say put your stop at break even and let her rip. We want 50, then 61. 50, then 61. Oop. Crude is also in a trade, fellas, on the bot now. Russell has 2 targets. Crude is in a trade. If crude goes to targets, I will shut bots off. Told you we're big, guys. Told you that pullback, that was it. If you're not in the trade, maybe a pullback down around 14. Come on. Some sellers in here.
Ireland Foreign Minister Coveney saying that expect the EU proposals to ease Brexit checks, and the EU may make Brexit protocol proposals in the coming weeks. Saying the EU may consider looking at more risk-based approach on the border checks. This comment is coming from the Ireland Foreign Minister.
Gold cannot find a bid, which is just mind-boggling. All right, let's take a look at the know all, say all. Where would we want to see a pullback to? Probably in here. This is an area. I don't think we come back that far. I think we come to 12. I don't see any thighs. We're not even going to get 12. Anybody long SPY at 442.50? Anybody long SPY 442.50? Okay. There you go, fellas. 3 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. We should eventually push all the way back up to 300. I would think yesterday's close. They just went and dirty rat bagged everybody and yanked stops. That's it. Next target is 50 if you're sitting in the NASDAQ trade. Next target is 50. and then 61. ES is going to go long at the close of this 15-minute candle. 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes if you're trading the bot. Gold doesn't look like we're going to get another trade. The bots are up over 2,000. Just over. $20 contract buyer here at 32.75. It's the only block trade I see, which is really interesting. There was one down here. 20 contract block trade. Russell stuck at VWAP, YM above VWAP. 141 seller here. ES still pushing higher. SPY now over 443. Anybody take CRM calls? Anybody take CRM? That was your entry right here. Anybody take CRM? Nobody. Okay. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Amazon is flat. Here's your NASDAQ. We should trade up here, 61. Qs are moving higher to try to fill the gap, which is at 372.89. So we're through the first hour of the European high.
Order filled.
You're welcome, Rich. All right. ES is now long. So we have 3 bot trades. Russell's pulling back a shard. I'm not gassed about this trade, but especially with 25 tick target 1 out on the runner, last contract on RTY. This should be support on NASDAQ right here, 18. And there's your bounce. Still below VWAP. Crude on the bot making an effort. Yeah, the ES is on the bottom. Getting a pullback in the SPY. Hang on, guys. All right, I'm back, guys. All right. Target on CRM. Maybe 287. I think Powell starts at 10. Time to hammer our Red Bull, fellas. This is a slow Friday. This freaking ES, man. Seriously. I'll let that take a loss.
Stop there.
Out on the ES. If there is one chart that guess we're going to wait on Powell. If this bigger time frame goes into a short, the 1 minute's in a short, I'm waiting on the 15-minute and the 10-minute to do something on the NASDAQ. Guys, we're really slow, but we have a dump truck full of sellers. We're over 3,000 now. I'm guessing the market is waiting on Jay Powell. I mean, we're pretty darn slow. Russell took a puke. Yeah, I'm not an ES guy. I can't stand ES. It's for somebody with a lot more patience than me. That may still go to target. Come on, crude. What the heck is... Oh. Got to come up through resistance here. First target, 2 ticks. Come on, you can't go 2 ticks? Hit target and didn't fill. Hit target. There it goes. Come on. Breakout. Come on, crude. This is one slow trade, fellas. One slow trade.
Target filled.
Okay. I don't care to watch you. Still have longs on NASDAQ. 17 with a 95. But ES is bid. I don't think Powell's going to say anything to spook the markets. I mean, that's my opinion. Gold is getting a little bit of a bounce. Think you can short Y. Well, again, with Powell coming, who knows? But YM, the stop would have to be 100 ticks. Never mind. On daily. Yes, nothing. Russell. You probably can try an RTY short. This is awfully slow, guys. Gold, trying to find a bounce. We may get a bounce in gold now. I'm not touching it, but it's nowhere near a long for me. Crude is trying to break out. So is ES, it looks like. SPYs are trying to bid. SPY has to get above VWAP at 443.25. NASDAQ is literally not moving. Out on crude. Out on crude. Natural gas is short. Bonds getting a small bid. Amazon looks like it's going to come down to 33.80. You have got to be kidding me. How slow this is, fellas. Got to be kidding me. Let's take a look at gold. I got nothing. I'm guessing that the market is waiting on Powell through VWAP. Come on. Here we go. Boom, bada bing, bing, boom, boom. Come on. Got it. Target filled. ES got target. I have to consider that a winner as far as statistics. Come on, push. 60 is my next target, guys. You're long. I told you you're longs.
That 15,000 expectation.
New home sales is a beat.
It's George saying the return to historical spend to ease prices and help growth overall. The economy's path supports looming bond tapering. Notes that Fed bond stimulus power tied to the size of the balance sheet and expects recovery in the fall.
Anybody long, guys, with me?
These labor market friction fading, barring any virus upsurge.
Anybody long? Okay, fellas.
Have been met. Again, echoing what we've heard largely from George and portions of Powell's conference on Wednesday there. That's George.
Told you I didn't have us in shorts, fellas. Let's see where we may go. Yeah, yes. So, again, this is operator error. I closed out the trade at a loss. It's hit first target. That's on me. Robert, kudos to you, but I gave the S&P long, SPY long at 442.50. If you took it, great. I told you guys. CRM, if you bought the calls, killing it. Thank you. Did you take it, Deepak? Nice. Deepak's killing it, guys. He bought CRM, he bought SPY. Bazinga. Bazinga. If you guys are here on trial and you're not part of this group on Monday, best of luck. Seriously, best of luck. Nice, Jay. It's all right. You made money. You made money. Now we're even introducing some option trades. I don't want to self-tout. I would never do that. But I don't think we've had a losing option trade yet. Some remarks by Fed Chair Powell. Oh, we hit my 61 target. Yep. That's where I think we're going to fail. I'm going to take this off, guys.
Order filled.
All right. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Easy peasy. Thank you, Louis. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Guys, we are, you as well, Jeff. Guys, don't forget, if you're taking off, Monday starts a new link. It will be in the member area today, tomorrow. Don't email me, say you didn't get the link. I know you didn't. I still think we go higher. We have to break above the cloud on the 10-minute. We're pushing on the 60-minute. We're pushing a 52 period. I mean, we're trading up into a host of crap on the hourly. Right here and then above, between 72 and 80. We're pushing up into a host of garbage. Thank you, D. What's Biden going to say? The rich should pay their fair share. The rich don't pay enough taxes. Oh, booster shots. He's back on booster shots. Good for him. Good for him.
saying unvaccinated people are putting the recovery at risk.
Biden saying unvaccinated people putting the economic recovery at risk. You unvaccinated, no good people. Seriously, how can you make that claim?
Order filled.
Can't stand stupid. I really can't stand stupid. I have an issue with stupid. It's a peeve of mine. I can't stand stupid. I can't stand it. Are unvaccinated people not spending money? No. Am I
Order filled.
anybody that's unaffected? Are they in some way, shape, or form affecting those of you that are vaccinated? I mean, yeah, it's maddening. Yeah, I agree, Brad. I was just to say that, Brad. All he's doing is, the Democrats continue to pit one group against another. It started with Obama, right? Obama's the one that coined that their fair share crap. The haves against the have-nots. The Democrats pit race against race, wealth against poor. This is all horrible. I have an issue with politics, yes. And I'm not saying the Republicans are any better. I'm not taking a side. I am not taking all I'm saying is stop pitting groups of people against another group. I mean, it's again, I am not an anti-vaxxer. I want to be clear on that. I am not anti-vaccine. I don't care, My wife is vaccinated. I didn't tell her she can't, she shouldn't, don't do it, nothing. It's her choice. Yeah, baby. Well, that's the whole thing. Yeah, this is it to VWAP. That's the game. Keep them panicked. Keep them panicked. They use words that induce fear.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I just shut off gold. We're just chopping around now with this. That's it. Just keep inducing fear. That's old, Dirk. That's old. That was from the 15th. Yep, crude still paying the bills, going to 75 bananas. Guys, everybody should be green today. everybody should be green. Look at these bonds. That was a great trade. I haven't taken a losing trade today. Not one losing trade. Not options. Is there anybody not making money? Is there anybody not making money?
Order filled.
Anybody not making money, guys? Okay. It's Friday. The goal is to get out of here with Do, Re, Mi.
Or the announcement on another factory idling.
Ford making an announcement on another factory idling.
Fill assembly plant in Canada will be idled the week of September 27th due to semiconductor-related parts.
So my wife and I started, she's coming off lease in her car. And, we all know that there's a chip shortage, right? But you don't pay attention to it. So you go to a car dealer and they have A, no cars, and B, they're delivering cars without chips. Nice job, Robert. Absolutely. They're starting to do away with things. Guys, this is a fairly slow trade. NASDAQ guys will probably trade now back down to 207. I would love to have a 65 Chevy if it came from Cuba. Car's probably in immaculate shape. No, like for instance, she likes the Cadillac, the 5. James, that's what they told me. They said they're delivering cars without chips, and when the chips come in, you'll go back and have the chip put in for certain things. Nothing safety related. But like if you buy an Escalade, which we're not looking at an Escalade, you've got, like the automatic, the step. You can't get it. They're not making them. They don't have the chips. We're coming back down to 07, guys, if you want a small short. 07. That was your short 26 on the break of VWAP. Stupid stuff. You waited 18 weeks to get your car. It may be longer than that. I mean, Chattanooga is a small market, right? I mean, it's not going to be confused with. So this week's totals. And then the bot total for the week. Based on 3 contracts, exclusive of any fees, ticket fees. Pretty good damn week. Pretty good week.
Target filled.
It's coffee. Coffee's up $9.95 with a $281 runner. Again, one of our guys came up with that. He trades coffee. I'm sure most of you do not. This is a fairly slow and dull trade, guys. You can see it for yourselves. We're down to 2,300 net sellers. All we're doing is trading back and forth in a small range.
Russia's Deputy Prime Minister Novak claimed natural gas will remain a key energy source.
Anybody have any questions? I'll sit here another 15 minutes, 10:45. I've already done the bots. We'll see where the accelerated growth bots close. I will not. Gas cars will never be done. Never. We will never go to 100% electric. And if I had to buy an electric car, it would not be a Tesla. I just can't stand him.
Novak saying that Russia will remain a
And I don't really like the look of the car.
global market.
It's a lot of money for a car that's trade station. Trade station. I go Longhorns. Okay, Ken. I like Texas. I'm a lifelong Colt fan. Indy Colts. 2 trades today. I closed winning trades. So that actually makes gold 7 for 11 on the week. No, Cam Newton. He's washed up. He's washed up.